Alright, good morning. Wednesday, ladies and gentlemen. As a Wednesday, August something, mate. I'm a bit tired to think about the date. Anyway, आजको दिन पनि राम्रो छ. आज पनि म काममा जान्न, mate. I feel very weak. I've been working very hard. I think so. I don't know if people agree or not. Anyway, give it up for tea. Give it up for another wonderful brand new day. अनि हामी केही गर्छौँ आज. हम देखेंगे क्या करते हैं. केही गरौँला आज.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.
Alright, 10:02 भयो. I'm not sure if that's the right time. गाडीको टाइम भन्दैछु म. Hang on. 10:25 भयो. By the way, हैन ममको लागि मोबाइल किन्दैको. Couldn't figure out how to activate the SIM. So quickly म टेस्टाकोमा गएर आइहाल्छु अफिसमा. And then mom जाँदै हुन्छ नि त. So fix the mobile phone, mate. Hurry up. Alright, 10:37. कति भयो? We went at 10:25. फोन बन्यो. जान्ने मान्छे छु हैन. I just did few thinking. फोन बन्यो. Let's go home now.
अनि यो आएन भने अब पिनबाट गर्नु सिकाउनु ल. पिन कसरी गर्ने?
पिन भन्नाले
मम्मीले त Alright, 12:10, ladies and gentlemen. चाहिँ घरको पछाडि छु. यो मेरो घरको पछाडि हो. यहाँ चाहिँ lot of birds. I like to watch some birds during my free time. And mom said she doesn't want to go anywhere. हाम्रो vehicle सानो छ, so she is not very confident about it. त्यही भएर हामी घरमै बस्छौँ, चिल मार्छौँ. टन्न खानेकुराहरू छ, फलफुल छ, ड्रिङ्क्स छ, mate. We gonna have a very nice time.
I'm so done, no I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna be hurting bad. Cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad. I stay strong, you will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack. When I I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative, I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive.
Alright, 4:30 ladies and gentlemen, घाप्नु नलाग्यो आज हामी सबजनाले फेरि आज पनि रिल्याक्स गरौँ। प्रभा त सुतिरहेको छ। ओ म्याडम भेरी नाइस टी। इधर इज यतातिर चाहिँ अब भोलिको लागि प्याकिङ हुँदैछ। क्विकली सो यु इट्स अल गोइङ हियर मेट, इग्नोर द मेस लेडिज एन्ड जन्टलमेन। सानो घर छ। एनीवे आइम गोना इन्जोय दिस कप अफ टी।
सानो घर भए पनि मन ठुलो छ भाइ।
चल भाइ।
You know I'm about to go off, I won't let him win, I'll take a stab. I wanna chase a bag, I want a way I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. Slowing down, I'll give up everything. Daunting thought, if I could see my dreams, I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I want a reality. Don't let go.
Sick of the venom in my brain, running from the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this, I just wanna break these chains. Always asking for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen too many once that I so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started the outlaws for profit. Now all I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted, created a legacy off of me, just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail.
I'll give up everything, daunting life. If I can see my dream, make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything, want a reality. Slowing down, I'll give up everything, daunting.
Alright ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the sunset. यो चाहिँ मलेनीको डुब्दै गरेको सनसेट हो। इट्स वान अफ द मोस्ट ब्युटिफुल थिङ अप हियर इन सनसाइन कोस्ट मलेनी। जस्ट क्विकली जूम दिस सनसेट एन्ड इन्जोय।
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, 'cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same.
Alright, हाम्रो माताश्रीको चाहिँ नयाँ फोन आयो भाइ। आज फोन गरेर माताश्रीको अब हैन सिम पनि छ, नेटवर्क पनि छ। अबबाट पुरमा हाल्नु म्याडम।
I need today, I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Bersama keluarga.
Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck, can't stop.
Alright, हाम्रोमा चाहिँ यो चाहिँ गार्डन स्नेक हो। यो गार्डन पाइथन कत्रो मोटो छ ल हेर्नु त, ठुलो छ नि बाफरे, कत्रो मोटो छ गार्डन पाइथन। लामो पनि रहेछ नि त, हेर्नु कत्रो लामो छ।
कति मोटो के खाएर मोटो भएको छ हौ
नमर्छ तसँग आएर
लामो छ परसम्म छ
कहाँ भइसमै छ
ओ शिट लुक एट दैट
हेलो साहब हेर्न आउनुहोस्
खै त दिन त
हामीले देखाएको थिएनौँ अस्ट्रेलियामा साप देखिरहेको
यहाँसम्म सो
बढ्यो अगाडि
यत्रो लामो साप यहाँनिर हाम्रो घरमा
आउनुहोस् आउनुहोस् हेर्न आउनु आमा साहब
सापै छ साप हेर त है
सानै छ
हो अहिले खुम्चेको छ अब त के खान आएको हो त चरा
अनि हिँडिरह होला यो कतातिर गइरह होला
नि हौ
तल भुइँमा छ आमै
मोटो रहेछ हो पुच्छर वहीँसम्म छ हौ
This is the snake that tried to came at our home, but it's going up now. Bye bye, mate. Look at that. The carpet snake. I think this is the known as the carpet snake. It's not dangerous though, but very long. Look at that. I think he just ate. Let me see.
यो जङ्गलमा भेट्यो यही के भाग्दैन यतै बस्छ होला
यतै बस्छ यो निस्किन्छ है रात बिरात
त्यो अस्ति मैले भने नि त्यसले यही साप खोज्दै हिँड्दै भनेको थिइनँ सुन्नु अस्ति मैले भनेन बुढी भनेको थिएँ नि त्यो आइरनले
So this is like a green.
यही कार्पेट साप खोज्दै हिँडेको थिएँ भनेको थिइनँ ठ्याक्कै देखेँ मैले उसले भन्दै त्यो कार्पेट साप देखेँ मैले
लगाएका छन् अनि त्यस्तो आएर झ्याप 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 सबैलाई बाँधिदियो खम्बामा सबलाई बाँधिदियो खम्बामा बाँधिदियो अब को बोल्ने कसले के गर्ने बोल्न गर्न केही सकेनन् त्यो भोजे